of defending and absolving, right? Defending and absolving mainly two people. The now suspended police minister Senzo Mchunu and the currently suspended National Deputy Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya. So in him pursuing that narrative, he then paints this picture of a corrupt cop, which is Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, without him, or even, I think he's even aware that actually Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was investigating him, because after Mkhwanazi had made those promises to Khethi Matlala, he never got back to Khethi Matlala. But what followed was an arrest. You see. So that's why I'm saying this, we need to view it in that form, that what was happening is that Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was still pursuing the investigations on Khethi Matlala.